Welcome to Innovent Foods. Got some leftover rice? Today we are turning it into a delicious tomatina rice with fresh tomatoes, garlic and simple spices. It's quick, flavorful and a perfect way to enjoy a homemade meal without wasting food. Let's start the recipe. First, take 1 cup leftover rice in a mixing bowl. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, sprinkle half teaspoon coriander powder, add half teaspoon salt, mix 1 chopped green chili, add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves, mix everything well. Leftover rice is perfect for making quick and flavorful one-pan meals. Using leftover rice helps reduce food waste and make a quick, satisfying meal. Now pour in 2 tablespoons mustard oil. Mix everything well so the rice is evenly coated with the spices. Mustard oil gives this rice a bold traditional flavor. Now heat 2 teaspoons mustard oil in a frying pan. Add 2 whole tomatoes. Now add 2 tablespoons chopped onion, 6 to 8 garlic cloves. Cover the pan and cook for 5 minutes over medium heat until the tomatoes become soft. Peel the skin from the tomatoes. Roasted tomatoes add a naturally rich and smoky taste. Fresh garlic makes the dish more aromatic and delicious. Mash the tomatoes until smooth. Tomatoes are naturally rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Mash the tomatoes well for a smooth and rich sauce. Add 3 tablespoons boiled green peas. Now add the prepared rice. Mix everything well until the rice is fully coated with the tomato mixture. Cook the rice for a few minutes after mixing so it absorbs all the flavor. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so all the flavors blend together beautifully. Your delicious homemade tomatina rice is ready. Simple, colorful and packed with fresh tomato flavor. It's an easy meal that's perfect for busy days. Serve it hot with salad, yogurt or your favorite pickle. Follow Innovent Foods for more easy recipes, delicious rice dishes and everyday cooking.